Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a few more Unix commands that will help you navigate through your Unix devices. So currently we're in a folder called family, and let's say we want to go inside of this folder over here, grandparents folder. So we do cd gr. When you hit tab, Unix actually autocomplete stuff for you, so you don't have to type the whole thing. And we go inside, and now we have parents inside. Let's do the same, and actually let's go straight to John. So in order to do that, we type cd. We first went into parents, so we type p, tab, and John starts with j, tab, and now we're all the way in John. Now this operator over here, the dot operator, references current directory. So for example, if we do mkdir, which is just make directory, so it creates a new folder for you, and we want to make this directory in our current directory, so in the dot, and we do the slash, let's call it son, for example. It makes a new folder son instead of this current directory that we're in. So let's go ahead and go back. And another really handy operator to know is a two dots operator, and this references the parent. So for example, let's say we want to go back from John to parents. We do cd dot dot, and that will just take us one directory back. And then we can go into Jonathan, for example. So let's do cd Jonathan. There we go. And you can actually combine them into one command by doing something like this: cd dot dot slash John. And now we're back into John. You can actually also stack the two dots. You can go back multiple directories by just doing cd dot dot slash dot dot, and this will take us two directories back. So that back to parents and then back to grandparents. Now we're back over here, and let's go ahead and go into this other family folder. So if you notice, this terminal over here and this terminal are on different paths, but we want them to be all on the same path, just so that we can program and compile on the same screen. So let's go ahead and close this terminal. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to duplicate this terminal, and we'll do that by Control, Shift, and N. Now we have two terminals that are on the same path, and of course the folder we're in is empty. Let's go ahead and create a really simple program. So let's call it simple.c. Now let's say you don't want to close Vim because you want to be looking at your code as you're compiling it. Let's go ahead and save the code. One way of doing that is to have two terminals open, and we can see our program that we just wrote over here. So let's go ahead and compile it. Simple.c -o simple. So now let's run it. Oh, forgot the new line character. There we go. Let's see. Now let's say, for example, you have a little bit more than just six lines in your program. Like for example, let's go ahead and copy this. And how you copy a line in VI is I do YY. Oops. So you go into command mode by hitting ESC, and you do YY. Now it's copied. And to paste it, you hit P. Now we have a bunch of them. Let's say, for example, your cursor is all the way over here, and you want to go 5 lines down. And how you do that is hit the number 5, and then after that you hit the down arrow. It will take you 5 lines down. And what this basically is VI is the ability to duplicate commands. So let's see, like the up arrow, for example, want to go 10 lines up, we type in 10 and we go up. All right. Let's say, for example, you want to highlight stuff so that you can copy paste it. Since you're not always going to be just copying and pasting lines, you're going to be pasting specific stuff in lines. So let's go ahead and copy something over here. And to start the highlighting, you want to hit V. Since you're not always going to be just copying and pasting lines, you're going to be pasting specific stuff in lines. So let's go ahead and copy something over here. And to start the highlighting, you want to hit V in your keyboard. Now we move the arrow. Now we have something highlighted. Now to cut it, you hit D. To copy it, we hit Y. Let's go ahead and hit Y. And let's go ahead and paste it right afterwards. So basically you can keep pasting it as long as you as many times as you want. Let's say, for example, you did something by mistake, like oops, I deleted this line by mistake. To go back, you hit U in command mode. It will take you back one step. So let's keep hitting U. Now we're back to one print statement. And something I actually forgot to go over is cutting in command mode. So that's just 2 Ds. So DD, and then it cuts for you. Now we paste it. And that's pretty much it.